Salt is something that is found on most tables throughout the world. However, salt has far more uses than simply flavoring dishes. Today's video will explore several uses for common salt. 1. Treating canker sores. Canker sores can be pretty painful, unsightly, and uncomfortable. They are an ulcer that forms on the mucous membrane inside of the mouth. Gargling with salt can treat and heal canker sores. Using 2 teaspoons of salt, dissolve into 1/4 cup of warm water. After stirring well, swish the mixture around in your mouth for at least 20 seconds, then spit out. Repeat 3 to 4 times per day. 2. Soothing a sore throat. Sore throats can happen for many reasons, ranging from dry air to a throat infection. Salt helps to fight infections by acting as an antiseptic. Add 1/2 teaspoon of salt to 1 cup of warm water. Then stir well to dissolve the salt. Gargle with this mixture for several seconds and spit out. Repeat this for several days to relieve the sore throat. 3. Fighting pink eye. Conjunctivitis or pink eye is caused by an irritation or infection in the eye. Salt can work as a disinfectant that can clean out the eye and relieve the redness. To treat, boil 1 cup of distilled water and mix in 1 teaspoon of salt. Allow this mixture to cool to room temperature. Then use this solution as an eye wash by using an eye cup or an eyedropper. Repeat the drops several times throughout the day. 4. Easing foot pain. Salt can work to help relieve sore muscles in your toes, heels, ankles, and arches in your feet. Add 1/2 cup of salt to a small tub of warm water. Next, soak feet in the warm solution for 10 to 15 minutes. Then pat feet dry and massage gently for 5 minutes. Do this once daily to relieve sore muscles. 5. Reducing puffiness of the eyes. Salt can be mixed with water in order to relieve puffiness in the eyes that can be the result of a late night or after crying. This is because the salt can tighten your skin and remove any moisture. To use, mix 1/2 teaspoon of salt in a bowl of lukewarm water. Next, soak cotton balls in the warm mixture. Then, place the soaked cotton balls over closed eyelids. Repeat this for about 15 to 20 minutes for best results. 6. Working as a natural toothpaste. Salt can be used to clean your teeth and keep your mouth free of bacteria. Salt can help remove plaque from your teeth. Simply dip a moistened toothbrush into table salt and brush your teeth with it. Repeat this at least once per day. Alternatively, mix common salt with an equal amount of baking soda and brush your teeth with this mixture regularly. Be sure to take great care, however, as salt can be painful in any open mouth sores and it can damage your gums and tooth enamel. 7. Curing a runny nose. Salt can help to clear the nasal passageways and remove any irritants. Mix 1 teaspoon of salt in 2 cups of warm distilled water. Use the solution to irrigate your nasal passages with a neti pot. Repeat this once or twice per day for a few days. Be sure to wash the neti pot after each use. 8. Treating insect bites. Salt can even neutralize insect stings and bites and disinfect the injury. It can even draw out toxins and reduce pain. Wash the affected area with antiseptic soap and lukewarm water. If the stinger still remains, remove the stinger carefully. Then apply a paste of salt and water on the site of the sting or bite. Allow it to dry and then rinse off after 30 minutes. Have you ever heard of any of these uses of salt? Do any of these come as a surprise to you? Let us know in our comment section. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.